Make a great choice today with the 2025 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, LED headlights, power passenger seat, power liftgate, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Your new ride is just a phone call away.